What's good, YouTube? Back at it with the tutorials again. Today, I'm gonna give you a gem on how to really develop your inner chest. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen this a lot in my chest days. I really do this exercise to really kind of finish off my chest day and really maximize the fullness of my chest. So let's get into it.
Your titties.
Yes.
To make your titties bigger.
So here we go. Got a 10-pound plate with me, if you will. And so it's a very simple exercise. You're gonna take the plate, put both your hands one on top of the other, just like this. Squeeze the plate in between them. And you're gonna put it right against your chest, just like this. And you're gonna extend. Boom, just like that. So come back in and extend. So even I must admit that when first doing this exercise and watching myself do this exercise, I was noticing that I was not fully extending. I was pretty much taking it, going about right here, but if you really allow your elbows to come in like this, you get such a deeper squeeze on your chest and bringing those pecs together. So just be mindful of that while doing this exercise. You really want to take it, bring it, elbows in, and then extend out, just like that. Boom, boom, boom. And then if you really want to target a certain part of your chest, so instead of taking it and going straight out like this, you can take the plate and go a little up. So, and that's gonna really target much of your upper chest and get kind of that upper shelf a little bit more work. So let me do a quick set for you real quick. All right, so you're gonna take it in, extend out. And really, also, another thing I want you to be thinking about when doing this exercise is continuously press your two hands together, but also think about pushing your chest and your two pecs together at the same time. So when you come out to this angle, squeeze your chest. Don't just let it be there and you're just kind of going through the motion. Squeeze that chest together just like that. That's going to really optimize this workout or this exercise to get the most out of it. And there you have it. Like this exercise, hands down, is one of the best exercises you can do to really work that inner chest and really get that crease in the middle of your chest. So hope y'all like that quick tutorial on just how to kind of just a gym that I have. If you watch me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram, DJ_Allen6. I post reels every week on different workouts that I'm doing throughout the week. So y'all tap into that. But until next time, man, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. We out.